All right, here we go. Eyes closed.
Yep. Ready?
Go.
Pick me pop.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Yeah.
So today we have these two empty poopsie boxes. One is sparkly critters.
And look inside. There's nothing in there, but you will put some good stuff in there, but I'm not peeking because I'm going to do this.
Yep. And this one is Cutie Tooties. So the name of the game is What's in the Mystery Box Challenge. But these are poopsie mystery
And you
boxes.
get to feel it too. The feel how squishy
Yeah.
it is.
Mommy has a bucket of toys over here. Here is my bucket of toys, and I'm going to put one of these toys inside each of their boxes. And they have to guess what toy I put in there. And I'm putting different toys in each one. So you each have to guess what toy it is.
Okay.
They're gonna be different, okay?
Okay, I'm going to... It's round one.
Okay, so whoever wins gets to open a toy in the end.
Yeah. I
Okay.
hope I win.
Yeah?
But I don't care if Daddy wins because I get to help him a little.
Yeah, all right. Okay, so round one. Both put your masks on.
I put my mask on.
And go. Whoever has an idea of what they have, you can tell me what you think it is.
Ooh, I know.
Okay, go, Pen.
Pick me pop flip ups.
Yep, okay.
Really?
And what do you have, Dad?
This hair is throwing me. I guess there was those. It's not an LOL. Though. Oh man. Okay, it's an LOL. It's the ones with the hair.
Yep.
Is it ready?
Hair
ready
goals.
to open?
Yep.
Ready, set, go. I was right! And Dad, you were right.
Good
Okay,
job.
now round two.
All right, so you each got 1 point. Next time, I'm gonna ask for colors and you guys can get bonus points. All right. Eyes are closed, everybody.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I suppose mask is on.
And go.
I think it's, ooh, okay.
This is, oh, what are those called?
What?
For bonus points, what? Don't look yet. What color is her hair?
Stick bots.
Orange.
Yep.
Stick bots?
Yep. And for bonus points, what color?
Oh, I thought blue at first, but then I started thinking green. I'll go blue.
All
No,
right.
no. I'll say green.
Final answer?
Green.
Okay.
Wait a second.
Oh, it's
Yay!
red.
I was right. I got 2 points.
Yep. Pen got 2 points and Daddy got 1 point.
And you got your eyes closed in there?
She did.
Yeah.
She had them closed. All right, guys. Dad's 2, Pen is 3. Ready for the next round?
Yeah. I'm just... Ready?
Go.
Cruise.
That's a poopsie feeding thing. I don't know what those are called. Syringe. It's a syringe for the poopsies.
Okay, and colors.
Oh, jeez.
Blue and yellow.
Brown.
Is it ready?
Yep.
Yes!
Pen was correct. She got 2 points and Dad got 1 point. Here we go, guys. Go!
It's a sparkle critter.
I think it's a-
Sparkle critter.
LOL baby.
Okay, and for bonus points, what color?
Is it the purple monkey?
Pink.
Hang on, Daddy's working on
Bear.
it.
It's either brown or it's a panda bear.
Is it ready?
I'll go with the panda bear. Black and white.
Ready?
All right, look.
I was ready!
You each get 2
I
points.
didn't look. I only closed my eyes like that.
Okay, good job, guys. And go.
I think it's a sticky thing that we... A stick popper.
Is it
A
Scruffalo?
Stickier.
Okay.
I think it's blue. Blue sticky popper thing.
Pen knows her toys.
I guess Scruffalo.
Come
All
on.
right, and what color?
Cat
Oh,
with pointy ears. I'll just go with the purple. I can't remember what color.
wow, good job, guys. 2 more points.
Alright.
Stick pop. Stick pop. Well, that's a stick.
Go.
And go.
Purple.
Okay. Dad, what is yours?
I know it's like a snap bracelet, and I'm guessing maybe it's a troll one, because it's not,
And what colors do you think they are?
I don't know, pink.
I think mine is red.
Okay, you can look.
Oh,
Blue and purple. I couldn't remember what we had.
Good job. Pen is definitely in the lead. Let's keep going. Next round. All right, here we go. Eyes closed.
Yep. Ready?
Go.
Pick me pop.
That's the
Okay.
Cutie Tootie Poopsie
Cause
holder.
I think I smell it. That's why I smell it.
Okay, guess the color, guys.
Green.
Red?
All right, let's look.
Oh, I was gonna say yellow.
Oh, so
I thought yellow
close.
first. I changed
Man,
my mind.
come on.
Next round. Let's see what we have in here. All right, go.
This is, I know, those like
Oh,
scooper things that go in snow make snow.
it's a box border.
Scooper thing that makes go in snow.
Okay, so you guys both guessed it right. Now guess a color.
I'm just gonna say this is original Tony Hawk.
Okay, Pen, now guess a color.
Blue.
All right, let's see.
Oh man,
Oh
come on.
man, wrong guy.
That's all right. You both got a point though.
Yeah, I know.
All right, guys, here we go for the next round. Okay, go.
What? I think those bracelet things.
Oh.
I What?
Stumping you guys.
What
Is
is
this
this
a
thing?
Cutito or
I
whatever?
don't know what this thing is.
Daddy's right.
Oh, okay. Bracelet, little bracelet.
Okay, what's it called though?
Bracelet things. I don't know what it's called.
Okay, now let's guess colors.
Maybe
Orange.
purple, pink. I think those 2 colors.
All right, let's look at it.
I got it right. But I wasn't looking. I was just closing my eyes, but I wasn't looking down.
Well, you missed one of the colors, so I'll give you 1 point, Pen, and Daddy gets 2 points. Yay! Good job! Daddy's coming back. He's only behind by 2 points. Here we go. Next round. Go!
LOL.
Mm-hmm.
With
Little LOL.
pink and black hair.
Mm-hmm.
With a pink dress.
Mm-hmm. All right, Pen got hers right. So, Daddy?
I mean, I don't know if it's a little or a little sister. I guess it's one of those little sister ones.
What color?
Is she blonde? I don't know. I'll say yellow hair, blonde.
Are you
No.
open?
I was wrong.
I was right.
Here we go. Go!
A skateboarder thing.
Okay.
Orange.
You think orange?
Yeah.
Okay. Now your turn, Dad.
It's a car. It's one of the new ones we just got. I'm gonna say it's Cruz or it's Jackson Storm. I'm gonna say it's Cruz, so I'm gonna say yellow.
Alright.
Oh, it was Jackson Storm.
No,
I thought it was him too.
Alright guys, here we go. Next round. Alright, go.
Maybe I think
It's definitely a pick me pot.
I think it's those little cutie tooties.
And what color do you guys think they are?
I think it's blue.
Alright, let's look.
Oh man, come
I thought
on!
it was. It's purple.
I thought it was blue, but
You guys are really close. Here we go, next round.
No, put it in it. Just put it in it.
Alright, go.
Ooh. I think it's these. Ooh, the same. This.
Okay.
And I think it's dark pink.
Okay, now Daddy, it's your turn.
It's a twisty pet.
Okay.
I don't know. I'll say there's blue in it. I don't know. Blue and pink or something?
Alright, let's look.
Oh man, I thought it was white.
Yeah, good. That's okay. You were
I got
close.
it.
I still get a point.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good job, guys. Here we go, guys. Alright, go ahead.
Those things that you feed the poopsies.
Okay.
And I think it's red.
Okay.
And maybe some gray mixed.
Okay.
It's a cutie tootie.
I think you got it wrong or something.
Oh, it's got eyelashes. It's a cutie tootie.
Okay. And what color?
I'm trying to figure out what animal is. There's a bunch of spikes on it. Was it the sun? Maybe it's yellow? Oh, it's the sun.
Oh, I got it right. I got it.
2 more points. So Penelope is in the lead by 2 points. Here we go, next round. Alright, go ahead.
Oh my god, this is so small. What in the world is this thing?
It's a pick me flip.
I think this is a donut, a yellow donut. Maybe? Or what about orange? I think it's orange.
Okay, and Dad?
Pink.
Alright, let's look.
Oh man, come on!
You were so close. So Penelope is winning just by 1 point. Here we go, final round.
Okay, ready?
Go ahead.
Maybe something with a horn? Maybe, oh, it has eyelashes. Maybe the big things? Not the little, no, not the little. Maybe the big thing. I think it's the big poopsy things.
Okay.
With some orange or maybe some light yellow mixed with brown.
Alright, Daddy.
It's an LOL. It's got glasses on, but I don't know. I'll go with. It's like glittery. I'll say it's like silver.
Alright.
Oh, I was gonna actually say this one. I didn't think the hair was. I didn't think there was a bun on it. I was actually gonna say this exact one. Oh, that's upsetting.
We're gonna tally up the scores. And the winner is Penelope by 1 point.
High five. Congratulations.
Yes, look at it. It looks like crumbly violet slime.
Congratulations on your win.
Yes, congratulations, Penelope.
Let's say goodbye to everybody.
Bye. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Catch you on the flip side and bye.
Bye.
Bye.